Hello human bodies, it's Rayhan from Triangle YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the best high-end screen retouching technique on Photoshop. I have already opened a photo in my Photoshop. So let's get started. First, create a copy of the background layer. You can drag this background layer to the new layer icon, or you can use a keyboard shortcut Ctrl+J button on your keyboard. After creating a new layer from background, invert the layer by pressing Ctrl+I button on your keyboard. Or you can invert the layer from image, then adjustment, and then invert like this. Now the image looks like horror movies. But hey, don't be scared, we are on the right way. Now change the blending mode normal to vivid light. And then go to Filter, Other, and High Pass. Now move the slider as I'm doing. Now it looks so smooth. Now we have to add some blur effect for making the face more natural. So, go to Filter again. Then Blur. And then Gaussian Blur. Don't apply blur too much. For this photo, I'm setting blur value to 1.0. Click OK button. Now press and hold the Alt button on your keyboard and click on the layer mask icon. You have to set black and white color as your foreground and background color. For this, press D button on your keyboard. Press X button to exchange the colors, or click on this arrow icon. Now select the brush tool and select a soft brush from this toolbar. Set the opacity and flow 100%. Now brush the face. You can resize the brush using left bracket and right bracket button on your keyboard. Stay away from sensitive areas like lip and eyes. And it's done. Here it's before and after. Please subscribe my YouTube channel if you like my tutorial videos. It's Rayhan, signing out.